Hey, Tamara here, and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to talk about the all new upgraded or updated done for you affiliate marketing system, which is perfect for newbies or more experienced people, called the Rapid Profit Machine, or the RPM. So you don't have to basically know anything about building sales funnels or writing emails because it's all done for you, as well as there's multiple income streams and new ones being added all the time. So at the moment, we probably have about 50 income streams you can earn from. And the best thing is it's absolutely free to join. So you're going to get loads of training. I'm going to show you my bonuses if you do get the RPM through me and so much more. All right. So let's go have a little look inside, shall we? So here's the inside of the RPM dashboard. So first of all, just a quick little recap of what affiliate marketing is. So it's basically like a referral program. Okay. Over 80% of businesses have an affiliate program. So you can just Google your niche plus affiliate program. So with the RPM, everything is done for you, the sales funnels, the emails, all that jazz. Plus you can earn from multiple income streams and new ones are being added all of the time. So this is when you click on to the capture page in the link below, just put in your email and then watch the videos and follow the instructions until you come to the dashboard. All right. So you use your same email that you put in the opt-in page and then just pick a password. That's it. Okay. So then you're going to come here. So these are basically the 7 steps to set up. This is James who created the Rapid Profit Machine. All right. So literally all you have to do is just the next steps. Just watch these videos and it'll show you exactly what to do. It's really not that difficult. And these are just different additional income streams you can get. I use Builderall myself because it's an all-in-one marketing system. So once you set it all up by following these simple steps, and if you really are brand new to affiliate marketing, then go over here to the training. And then this is like the basics. Look at all of these videos you get. And then we also have mindset hacks because this is important, is to have the right mindset. With the RPM, it is super easy because you literally just have to share your funnels, which I told you is done for you. So we also have some traffic that you can get, free traffic with social media like TikTok and Instagram. You get this all. And then also about solo ads, which are super easy traffic. You basically, solo ad providers who have huge email lists, including James, and you basically just put in your RPM link and then they send your traffic for you. So you pay per click. So when someone clicks on the email that the solo ad provider sends, then that counts. So you can get like 100 clicks, 500 clicks, whatever. But this explains it all. And let's go to the funnels. So these are basically what's called opt-in pages. So you can preview whichever one you want here. So this is what you would share, one of these. And then when someone goes into your email, then it goes into the RPM sales funnel. So you got lots of choices here. And soon you're even going to be able to get credits for AI generation as well. And then there's special offers. There's also contests here. All right. So most of these is if you upgrade to RPM Pro, and then you can earn up to $1,000 in free solo ads, which is crazy. Nobody gives you free traffic, I'll tell you that. And then when you want to see the difference between an RPM lead and a member. So your leads are people who put in their email, and then once they join the free membership site, they become a member. So conversion rates, yeah, my conversion rates are at 40%, which is really good. And once you follow the setup steps, if you either choose Builderall or Aweber, all you have to do is, again, follow the steps, how to get set up. Okay, so you can either choose Builderall or Aweber. And you can also get your free traffic from James. So you do not need both, just one or the other. So again, this shows you exactly how you can get your free traffic, which in a nutshell is basically posting one social media video a day, whether it be TikTok or Instagram, and then you can earn up to $100 in free solo ads, which is like 100 clicks. Like I said, nobody else gives you that. And then just have a little quick inside builder all. So these are all the different tools that, depending on which plan you get, you can have access to. I have access to all of them. So again, you can join Builderall either as a free affiliate or get the plan so you can download the done for you emails, which you get 30 of, 15 for RPM leads and 15 for RPM members. Again, everything's explained inside. So here is my Rapid Profit Machine bonuses. This video will be right here as well. And there's some steps by step written. And you can see we have over 32,000. Actually, we're at 50,000 members now. Some testimonials. You get these for free, which I've written for you. And then the MAB, which is Mass Affiliate Blueprint. This is like RPM on steroids. I will do a new video going into the MAB as well. But in a nutshell, you earn 75% commissions on all RPM products. And then if you do sell MAB yourself, then you can earn anywhere from $750 to $5,000, depending on what MAB your lead gets. So yeah, huge. And if you do become a member, then you basically get all of this. All right. So that's about it. Give it a shot. Like I said, it costs you nothing. I would suggest that you either get Builderall or Aweber for those done for you emails so you can build your own list. If you just stay as a free member, then you're not going to be able to build your own email list and have your subscribers that you can email at any time you like. Plus, obviously, the follow-up done for you emails. As a complete free member, James will send a few emails on your behalf, but not third. So I highly recommend, super important to build your own email list because that's yours. Like I said, either Builderall or Aweber for paid account. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions, leave them below. And of course, as usual, make sure you subscribe so you can get all my new videos when they come out. All right, have an awesome day. Cheers.